Coffee up, we're locked in strong. 60 seconds, make it clear who you.
Good morning, BNIers. Dustin here with your education moment. 2 minutes, one idea, better referrals. Let's go. Imagine someone hands you a football and says, "Good luck," while there's 3 defenders already running at you and ready to commit murder. Technically, they gave you the ball, but they did not exactly set you up for success, did they? This is what happens when we give a referral by texting a member or entering through BNI Connect. Call my friend Steve. He might need you. Who's Steve? What does he need? Why might he need it? Does Steve know I'm calling? Is he expecting a phone call, an email, a text message, or a carrier pigeon wearing a tiny BNI badge? Passing someone's contact information is not always the same thing as creating a strong referral handoff. A name and a phone number may create an opportunity. A thoughtful introduction creates momentum. A quality referral handoff answers 4 questions. First, who is this person? Give your member enough context to understand the relationship. Is this your client, a neighbor, an employee, a brother-in-law, a vendor, a former coworker, or someone you met yesterday while fighting over the last rotisserie chicken at Costco? The relationship matters because it helps the member understand how much trust has already been established. Second, what problem are they trying to solve? Do not make the receiving member conduct a full detective investigation before they can even begin helping. Instead of saying, "Steve may need insurance," explain it. Steve recently hired 5 employees, purchased 2 vehicles, and wants to make sure his current coverage still protects the business. That one sentence changes the entire conversation. Third, does the person know they are being contacted? A warm referral should not feel like an ambush. This is a major difference between calling someone who's expecting you and calling someone who has no clue why a stranger suddenly knows their name, phone number, business, and insurance renewal date. Permission creates trust. It also protects the credibility of the member giving the referral. Fourth, what is the next step? Should the member call today, send an email, schedule an estimate, wait until after the prospect's meeting on Friday, follow up next month when the contract expires? A referral without a clear next step often becomes a name sitting untouched in someone's phone until both people forget why the introduction mattered. The strongest handoff is usually a 3-way introduction. It could sound something like this. "Steve, meet Rachel, the insurance professional I told you about. Rachel, Steve's business has grown to 12 employees and he wants to review his coverage before renewing next month. Steve is expecting your call tomorrow afternoon." That introduction gives both people context, credibility, permission, timing, and direction. It also transfers some of the trust Steve already has in you to Rachel. Now, none of us will create a perfect referral every time. Sometimes we only have a name, a short conversation, or a small opening. But before passing the referral, we should ask ourselves, have I done everything reasonably possible to help these 2 people begin a productive conversation? Your challenge this week is really simple. The next time you pass a referral, do not just transfer information. Create the introduction. Explain the need. Confirm permission. Establish the next step. And when possible, tell the prospect why you trust the member you are introducing. Do not merely hand your teammate a football and let them get ready to be murdered. Block a defender, point them toward the open field, and throw the ball where they can actually catch it. This has been another education moment by Dustin. See you next time. And as always, relationships build revenue.
Meeting starts, badge goes on. Coffee up, we're locked in strong. 60 seconds, make it clear who you helping, why you're here.